I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new pump my house, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Keep me right laugh, I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, like my man built for speed. And you know I'll love you, darling, so give me your hand. The thing I want the most is all the acres of land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Oh, she's a little bit of stuff now. For 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Can't sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking Strumpy and that larder and lime. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Ha! When we a grand couple, that's word of daddy. I wore brand new gators and new 40 rice bands. In your new Sunday dress, with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took in a sold in end.